Hello guys, today is the 9th of November 2020. As you can see over here, it's Monday. Yesterday, Sunday, the 8th of November, we managed to double our money for a second time. It was round 2. So on the last video, we were on number 221 over here. So since then, we had some wins over here, but you can see over here that we had FS8 and 4 open, and we were on the 34th step. We needed 2 more steps in order to double our money and complete the second round. So you can see here that I bet on FS8, the second line, the 6th line, and I lost. Then I bet on FS4 on the 6th line again, and I lost. And then I bet on FS8 again on the 7th line, and I lost again. Then I bet on the 7th line on the FS4. I managed to win, and I only had FS8 open, and it was the last step in order to complete the round, the 36 steps that we are aiming for over here. So I decided not to risk the money, but to split the amount of money that I wanted to win into 4 different parts. So I used the DMM option, and as you can see here, this was FS8. So DMM option 1, I won immediately. Then on the second part, I lost 1 bet, and then I won the second one. So DMM 2, so the second part was finished as well. And then DMM 3, so it was the third part. I lost on the first line and I won on the second line, so this was covered as well. And then the final DMM 4, I lost the first line, and then as you can see here, it was on Wednesday, this bet. I wanted to find a better bet in order to, because it was a big amount of money that I spent there, 539 kroner. That means 54, around 54 euros. So yesterday, Sunday, we managed to win this one. We completed the 36 steps that we wanted. You can see here that the amount in our bankroll is 4,319. The initial goal was 4,200, but this is a little bit over that, because if when you multiply big stakes with certain odds, it doesn't give us the exact amount over here, but it gives us a little bit more. So that's why the current bank is bigger than this one. But we don't care. It's bigger, so this is the one that matters. If we go to the portfolio over here, so the first round started from 1,000, and over here, when we had 2,000, the first round ended. The second round started from here, and you can see it stopped at 4,319 over here. If you can see round 2, we had 103 bets. We won 39 and we lost 64. This was a hit rate of 37%, 37.86. We had a yield of 21.63. This is also very good. And the average odds were 2.97. So if you see the expected value, so the real value that we had was 4.20%, bigger than the one on the previous round after the model was trained. It was only 3.38. Now we're like 1% more. Initially, until the model was trained, we spent 10 days, then 24 days to actually double the bankroll, reach our goal. But if you combine those, it's 34 days. And on the second round, we only needed 26 days. If you see it like as a total, this one is smaller. But if you see after the model was trained, we needed 24 days, and then we needed 26 days. But we had a better expected value. This doesn't reflect the days that don't reflect exactly how our system goes, because there were not many matches. So if you see here, we played the match, only 2 matches on Wednesday, and then we played the match on Sunday. So the thing that matters, it's not even that. It's the expected value that we can compare if the model is more successful than before. So you can see on training over here, we lost some money, then on round one we won, and then on round two we won again. So the plan for me now is to continue round three or round four, but I'm not going to record those rounds. I'm going to probably spend some time, update the model. Let's go a bit into the AI software. As you can see here, the model is very, very well trained, and those numbers are getting bigger and bigger. So you can see logistic regression has 86.2, which is the one that I generally follow under the curve. And neural network is 86.5. It's getting better. So the more data that we have, neural network goes better and better. So eventually, I will start using neural network. So if we combine, if we compare the results, you will see that we have around 68% of hit rate according to this. But I have some filters as well. This is where it says peak, which raises 68% to around 80%. So each peak has around 80% possibility or probability to happen. So if we combine 80, two games of 80, this is a lot better than the average dose that we actually need for our system to work. And the thing is that in this percentage, the draws are also included. So if we exclude draws and we have only home wins and away wins, this 68% by itself goes to 75, 76%. And another thought, because even the draw is like 60%, 50, 55% or something, even if with an average odds of 3 point something. So even if we follow the draws into this system, perhaps it works. I haven't tried it yet. I don't want to try because as we use it, it runs smoothly. And as the model gets trained, we have better numbers. So that was all for this round. I'm not sure if I continue showing you another round because I think 2 rounds of proof is okay. What I'm thinking to do is every day or like every couple of days to just analyze the matches of the days or of the following 2-3 days and show you my picks. The goal is that everybody knows how to use my system. Everybody can have a value and earn some money from that, and in the long run be able sustainably to have a certain amount of money every month. Have it like a second job, having as an extra income. This is the ultimate goal. I will probably have like a logbook of 1,000 euros to 2,000 euros 1 or 2 times, but it can be in the future when the matches and the teams will be a bit better. I will also share this prediction, the predictions that I get from the AI software. In this Excel, I can share only for football, but I'm going to complete for hockey, to complete it for hockey and basketball as well. So that was all for this round. That was it for today, and see you in the next videos.